Hello class and welcome to another math lesson. I wanted to quickly review about what each dollar bill looks like and what each coin looks like. So let's get started. So when we're looking at coins, remember that this is a penny and a penny is worth 1 cent. But when we write it in dollar form, it looks like this, decimal 01. Next we have our nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. When we write it in dollar form, it is decimal 05, our nickel. Then we have our dime. Remember that a dime is worth 10 cents, and when we put it in dollar form, it is 0.10 dime. Last coin we have is our quarter that is worth 25 cents. 25 cents. When we use our dollar form, we write it decimal 25, and that is our quarter. Next, we're going to move on to our dollar bills. Remember, this is what a dollar bill looks like, and we want to use our dollar sign. We no longer use our cent sign. Throw that away for now. We want to use our dollar sign and the decimal. Dollar sign and decimal. Straighten it out there. So here is $1. Whoa. Next, we have our $5 bill. $5. Then we have our $10 bill. $10. Then we have our $20 bill. $20. And then our $50 bill is next. $50 bill. And then last but not least, our $100 bill. $100 bill. So now that we know what each one is like written in dollar form using a dollar sign and a decimal, we want to start grouping them. So let's say I have $1 and I have a nickel. So if I have a dollar and a nickel, our dollar would look like this, and our nickel would look like this. But we wouldn't write it $1 and then 0.05. We'd have to combine them together. That's where I get my whiteboard out. I'm going to write that $1 and 1 nickel is worth $1 and 0.05. So that is $1.05. Let's take back our labels here. Notice we have $1 and 5 cents. Let's try another one. Let's say that I have a $1 bill, a dime, and then a penny. So we have a dollar and a dime and a penny. Take a look at this really quick. A dollar, a dime, and a penny. Let's separate our coins from our dollar bills. So we know that we have $1 here. And we know how to count coins. We start from the greatest to the least. So a dime is worth 10. A penny is worth 1. So 10, 11. We have here $1 and 11 cents. Awesome. But let's say that Miss Bernardo had a friend who gave her some change and she received a quarter and a nickel and let's say another penny. Now how much money do I have? We still want to separate the dollar from the coins, and we want to order our coins from greatest to least. So notice how I went from quarter, dime, nickel, penny, penny. We have 25 cents. 25 plus 10 is 35. 25, 35 plus 5 is 40, 41, 42. 25, 35, 40, 41, 42. I have $1.42. So in today's work, you are going to add up the amount of money and see how much you come up with using the dollar sign and a decimal. Go ahead and give it a try.